Succession planning. Employees get promoted, move companies, and retire every day. Organizations need a solid plan to ensure positions are filled by people equipped to do the work. Succession plans identify individuals in the organization with the talent and ability to move into management and executive roles in 1 to 5 years. Once individuals are identified, development plans are created to ensure that they're mentored and have opportunities to obtain education, training, and experience in areas that will enhance their ability to move into senior positions when the organization needs them. Organizations might also develop, implement, and use a replacement chart. This tool is helpful at all organizational levels and helps HR and line managers identify staffing needs by categorizing current employees into one of 4 categories. 1. Ready for promotion. Employees in this category demonstrate the KSA's knowledge, skills, and abilities to assume additional responsibilities and are ready to move forward in the organization. 2. Develop for future promotion. This group includes employees proficient in their current positions and with additional training opportunities and experience will be ready to move forward in the organization. 3. Satisfactory in current position. These employees are proficient in their current position, but don't demonstrate the KSA's or interest in assuming greater responsibility in the organization. And 4, replace employees. Employees are placed in this category for various reasons, such as transfer or promotion, impending retirement, short-term disability, or unsatisfactory performance. A succession plan ensures the continuation of critical roles. It identifies future staffing needs and the people with the skills and potential to perform. It is a strategy for identifying and developing future leaders, mentoring and developing them for organizational advancement to top-level positions.